Welcome to your daily dose of language learning. Today, we're diving deep into the popular English idiom, on the ball. Being on the ball implies that someone is alert, efficient, and quick to understand or react. It's a compliment. But where did this phrase come from? The idiom has its roots in sports, particularly baseball and cricket. In these games, players need to keep their eyes on the ball to play effectively, mirroring the focus and alertness required in everyday tasks. Now, let's see how to use this idiom in real life. Imagine you're at work, and your manager says, "Great job on that project. You were really on the ball with those deadlines." Or perhaps you're discussing a friend who always remembers birthdays and anniversaries. "She's always on the ball. She never forgets a special occasion." What about troubleshooting tech issues? If someone quickly fixes a computer glitch, you might comment, "He's really on the ball when it comes to solving tech problems." In a classroom setting, a student who answers questions quickly and accurately is often described as, "Jack is on the ball today. He got every answer right." Finally, consider a scenario in customer service where quick responses are crucial. Our customer service reps need to stay on the ball to ensure clients are happy. So being on the ball is all about quick thinking and effective action. It's a versatile idiom that you can use in many contexts. Next time you notice someone demonstrating sharp awareness or quick response, go ahead and tell them they're on the ball. Thanks for watching, and stay on the ball with our language tips.